small cop cars. Then we get into the bigger ones, the better ones, the cooler ones. We'll walk down this entire thing for you guys. What's a police bike? Oh, that's an old or new model. I can't tell, but it looks new. So I'm gonna count that as rare. Ooh, a slick top NYPD. It's a sedan. You don't see those every day. And one store over there. Jesus, it's fine. Bro, they have an entire barricade here, guys. We're gonna walk into Yankee Stadium. Holy crap, there's a ton of cops. Police bikes, here. Oh, is that a police gator? Oh, no, it's a police golf cart. That was a gator. Oh, Jesus. Montreal's over here, guys.
What?
You want to try to go to the
patrolling. They see me rolling. I had to focus where I walk to, guys. So I can look at the entire vehicle. They got the entire thing down there. Oh, I see that van, the van, and then a police cruiser. This. I'm gonna end it here, guys. So yeah.